Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 4 of week 8 and we will revise few more concepts of fundamentals of computer. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about classification of digital computer. We have discussed about mini and micro computers. Mini computers are mid-range computers, that is between mainframe and microcomputer. Their size is between them, and their cost and speed is between mainframe and microcomputers. And the microcomputers are the ROTCs which you use at home, and the microprocessors are used in microcomputers. Role of computer, we have discussed about role of computer in education. In education, it is helpful for both teachers and students. Students can use various subject related programs available in CDs, and multimedia is also useful for making interesting and interactive learning possible. And for teachers, teachers can also use computer for making multimedia presentations, and and online examination system can also be conducted with the help of computer. Today we will discuss about role of computer in business. Computers are used to type various business documents, letters, etc., and for communication among employees and employers. And computers can help in sending emails. Computer application in different business areas like banking, retail stores, e-commerce, and many others. Banking. In field of banking, computers has revolutionized the banking business, and deposits and withdrawals are instantly logged into customers account, and accurate monthly bank statements can be generated, and various bills of utility bills and a bill of retail stores can also be paid with the help of online banking or your credit or debit card. And ATM machine is used to obtain the cash. In retail stores, a bar, as you know, that barcode is present on the products. So a barcode reader is used to read that barcode, which is also a computerized system. And barcode will provide the information for the price, quantity, and manufacturing and expiry, and many other details of the product. And these details are used to prepare the accurate bills, and it makes the checkout process fast. E-commerce means buying and selling the products by means of internet. So computer is also used in e-commerce. Miscellaneous. And computers are very helpful in running many other types of the business, like hotels, hospitals, school, travel agencies, etc. Review. Today we have discussed about role of computer in business, and there are various business areas in which the computers are used, like banking for the deposit and withdrawal of the cash. ATM machine is used to withdraw the money, and monthly bank statements can be generated with the help of computers. In retail stores, barcode is can be barcode reader reads the barcode present on the products, and this is also a computerized system which helps in efficient checkout process. And computers are also in use of e-commerce. E-commerce is buying and selling of the products using internet. And there are many other businesses that use the computers, like hotel, hospital, school, travel agency, and many others. Assignment. You have to learn and write use of computer in banks and retail stores. This is the end of our lecture. Understand? Thank you.